Good morning. My name is Camille and I'm from eZENtial Yoga. And today I'm going to focus on neck mobility. A lot of times we spend our time either over our phone, over our computer, on our couch watching TV, or hunched over in a position seated. Even if we're standing looking at our phones, we tend to have a hunched over posture. So we don't tend to stretch out our neck too often. So I just want to take a little bit of time to show you a couple moves to stretch out your neck. And hopefully this will help you relieve any tension in your neck or relieve any stiffness. Sometimes if you have stiffness in your neck, this can also result in headaches or tension in your forehead or your neck, your shoulders, into your back. So I just want to take a couple minutes and let's stretch out our neck. So first and foremost, let's always focus on our breath for a couple seconds. So we're going to close our eyes. Now we're just going to breathe. So we're breathing in through our nose. And we're breathing out. Feeling yourself rise with every inhale. And lower with every exhale. One more breath. And exhale. Okay, let's open our eyes. Okay, first things first, let's go with lateral flexion. So we're going to bring our right ear towards our right shoulder. So we never want to bring the shoulder up to our ear. We want to try to bring our ear to our shoulder. You're not necessarily going to touch the ear to the shoulder. You're just going to move towards it. This is stretching out all of the left side of the neck. We're just going to relax and breathe while we stretch out that part of our neck. Always try to breathe while you're moving through any stretching motion. You never want to try to tense up. You never want to move through stretching while it never should be painful. It should just feel like a stretch. Now we're going to move to center. Now we're going to bring our left ear to our left shoulder or towards our left shoulder, stretching out the right side of our neck. Nice and relaxed. See, my hands aren't gripping, they're not in fists. They're just relaxed. You can have them up or you can have them down, whatever is more relaxing for you. And bringing it up to center. Now we're going to look over our right shoulder. Now, what I tend to see people do is they tend to move their body with them. I really want to keep your shoulders pointing forward. You're just moving your head. So if you really are tight and you can only move it to there, that's fine. So we're moving towards, so you're looking over your right shoulder as much as you can without a lot of pain. You just want to feel a nice stretch all along here. You're also going to feel it if you're tight in your upper trap on the right side. So your breath. Nice and easy. Looking back to center. Now we're looking over our left shoulder. Once again, keeping your body straight ahead. You're just moving your head. Stretching all along our right side of our neck, as well as our upper trap on the left side. Breathing in and breathing out. Looking back to center, we're bringing our chin towards our chest as much as you can. So this is a nice stretch for the back of your neck. Breathing in and breathing out. Bringing our head to center. One last one before we go. So let's just do a little circle. So we're starting towards the right shoulder. So your shoulder is, so we're going right through center to the left. And left through center to the right. Once again, right through center to the left. Left through center to the right. Couple more times. And we meet up in the center. I don't tend to stretch all the way back. I don't really like to instruct with hyperextension. So we're going to stay there for now. So let's close our eyes one last time. We're going to breathe, breathing in through our nose, filling up our lungs, feeling ourselves rise, and lowering down when we exhale. One last time, a nice deep breath in, and exhale. Bringing your hands to heart center, opening our eyes. Thank you for sharing these couple minutes with me to stretch out your neck. I hope you join me again. We'll be stretching out some other body parts. And I hope you have a good day. Once again, my name is Camille, and I'm from eZENtial Yoga. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.